So we're a local bar and grill with a heavy emphasis on entertainment. So that includes, not only serving food and drinks, but putting up a party almost every night.
We wanted to open a place for people to eat, have good food and good drinks and music. We have 13 pieces of True equipment total. We have it in the front, we have a bar in the back, freezer in the kitchen.
We have a lot of cocktails, but our emphasis is the beer. We have a huge tap system. And then as far as our cans, bottles, almost every can and bottle you could think of, we stick in those True coolers. We at capacity are close to 380 people, so obviously you can imagine how hectic it gets.
True is the best in the class. It keeps the beer cold, and it has a 7-year warranty, and I know it's efficient.
I've been in the restaurant industry 13 years now, and every single restaurant I've been in has used True. So for me, it's being able to come into work and know that my equipment's going to run how I expect it to.
With True, we have a service company local.
Local availability is the difference between me maybe shutting my bar down early and keep trucking along for the night.